Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the SIM slot on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So of course we're gonna need to use the pin injector that is included inside the box of the device. Now we need to turn our device to the left side over here, and here we have our SIM slot. We need to insert the pin inside this hole over here, and then once we push it, then we should be able to take it out a little bit. Then of course use your fingers in order to take it out fully. There we go. And now we can insert the SIM card. So over here, this is how it looks like. Here we have the slot for the SIM card, and at the back we also have the slot for the second SIM or for micro SD card. So let's insert the SIM card first. Let's try to match it with the layout, and it goes in really easily. So let me actually show you one more time. This is the front, and this is how we insert it. Just put it inside, and there we go. Now we need to, of course, insert it back. So let's do that. If it doesn't go in, then you might need to rotate. And there we go. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.